Here I'm going to show you how to use if function in SQL. As you see over here, I have a table of data sets of a grocery list, and the columns of this data or set or this table includes item, store, type, quantity, unit price, and total price. I use this same table in my SQL video because it may be quick to understand the SQL function. Anyways, here's the table. So I'm interested to know the item list here. I would like to extract the column under item, those list, apple, cabbage, and so forth. I am interested also those item, the units measure, like apple is measured by pound, cabbage is by head, and other produce is measured by each individual item. As you see here, for example, cucumber each. So these are the units, and I would like to know the price for each unit, right? So for example, cabbage, one head cabbage is $2.70. So I'm interested to know the items list, then the unit measurement, and how much it costs per unit. Alright, 1 pound, for example, is $1.08. For what product is the third one? Potato, right? So I'm going to extract those information, the item, the unit, and unit price. I would like to extract. However, for the item cabbage, the unit measurement is head. I would like to change the head to each. Like here you see cucumber and garlic bulb. The unit is each, so I would like to change the head to each for cabbage. Alright, so I'm going to use if function in SQL. Alright, so two things. I'm going to extract those 3 columns, and I would like to change the unit. So I'm going to show you how to do it on SQL function. Alright, go ahead and click on the editor icon here, the blue one. Alright, the basic structure of SQL is start with select the basic structure from where. These are the basic structure. Now I don't need where because I'm not filtering really specific field. So I'm going to use those 2 clauses or functions. So I'm interested in the item, here. This is the item, and unit, copy and paste if you want. And the third one, unit price. Right. Alright, I'm gonna put the last one. You can put in the new line if you want. The unit price. And the unit, you can put a new line. And from the source, okay? So let me type in the source first. So the source is a sample data set. That's the data set name. From sample lower dash, it's already pop up. So the data set, and the table is this one, second one, grocery list data type. It's already pop out, so click on it. This is my resource. So I'm going to extract the item column, the unit price, but for units I'm going to change this information, the head, to be each, right? So I'm going to show you how to do that. I'm gonna use if clause or if function. If unit equals, put a apostrophe, head, change it to each. Alright. However, if the unit is not head, keep the same unit. So you put unit, okay? Then put comma. Alright, basically let me explain. If unit is head, right, this one, if the unit is head, change it to each. If the unit is head, change this to each. Right, otherwise, which means otherwise, keep those each as it is, don't change those. Keep the unit as it is. Alright, one more time. So if unit is head, change this head to each. Otherwise, keep the measurement of the unit as it is. Don't change it otherwise. Right? So 3 column to be extracted: item, unit, and unit price. I'm going to extract those. Alright. Now I'm going to hit run here on the top left. Click run. Alright, let me put it a little bit up. So as you see here now, the cabbage is changed to each instead of head. Alright, the cucumber is changed to each as well. Alright, let's keep its own unit. Alright, in garlic kebab, still each. Alright. One thing, you can change the name of the column instead of FO. By default, you're gonna see FO column name. So I would like to give a name. So as unit. I just put capital letter. Now run it. So the columns change to unit. Alright, it's same thing. Let me pull it up a little bit. Now here, see, you can see the new result. So unit, the cabbage is each. So each cabbage is $2.70. So I can see the list of the item, the unit of measurement, and how much each unit costs, right? For example, apples per pound is 84 cents. Cabbage, each cabbage is $2.70, and so forth, right? Alright, thank you for watching.